Well, as television broadcasters and meteorologists, we work around the clock when a storm approaches. Today, our sister station in Panama City, which took a direct hit in Hurricane Michael, is marking a major milestone. It's the reopening of their remodeled television station. Our chief meteorologist, Ed Bloodsworth, shows us how the team at WMBB is truly panhandle strong.
It was all hands on deck at WMBB in Panama City as Michael approached the Panhandle. After numerous near misses from past storms, it was clear that Michael was going to be different.
Among us meteorologists, it was, a little somber because we're like, hey, this is coming right for us, and we know there's nothing that's really going to slow it down.
So we're thinking, we've lived through Opal. It was a 3, borderline 4. We can handle this. This wasn't Opal. This wasn't Opal. This was a whole new animal that we had never seen before.
With just a few hours left before landfall, the decision was made to pull all reporters from the field. The staff at WMBB had to hunker down as Michael roared ashore.
We had our security cameras at the back door on, and we could see debris starting to fly up against the building. That's when you kind of knew things were getting serious.
We could hear it. As it got closer, and it started as just a whoosh, periodically, and eventually it just got to a non-stop, just pounding, and you could hear it. You could hear the roof going up and down.
Fear grew in the newsroom as conditions deteriorated outside. Tom Lewis tried to calm those fears.
The eye's about to pass over us right now. Okay. Once we get past the eye and the other side comes on, it should not be as strong as what we've just gone through.
I just kind of looked around and said, all right, guys, look, we're going to be all right. We're going to make it through this. I've been through these. We're going to make it through this. I promise you got a story you'll tell your grandchildren. Yeah, you're going to be able to tell your grandchildren because nobody's dying here today. We're going to be okay. But I didn't know that for certain. I mean, as I was saying that, the roof could have collapsed on all of us.
WMBB was knocked off the airwaves. It would take nearly a week for them to become operational. All the staff could do was assess damage.
I didn't have any words. I think my jaw dropped, and I just looked in 360 direction, and there's nothing left.
We got to intersections, and I went, is this Jenks Avenue? Because the landmarks were gone.
The station has faced numerous challenges since Michael, but the sound of hammering and saws buzzing gives Lewis hope that WMBB will soon get back to a new normal.
They're going to rebuild. It's going to get better. It's going to be better, but it's not going to be the same.